Hi all. In this video, let's see how to prepare for current affairs for any of the competitive exams. Not only for computer science, it's a common section for all the competitive exams, right? For all the national level exams or PSC or state level exams or SSC or any other exams or banking, which is an important section, right? So we have to score and we have to aim a good marks for the current affairs section and general knowledge, right? So usually when we prepare for degree level exams or any other subject level exams, we usually have a tendency to avoid the current affairs section, and we'll more focus on our subjects like computer science or any other degree level subjects, and we completely ignore the current affairs. So we might lose a 10 or 15 marks just for this current affairs section. So that will make, for even 1 marks is very important for any of the competitive exam, right? If we skip the current affairs, we'll go up at the bottom in rank list. We might fall in the bottom. We don't know what if some other people score very well in current affairs. We might get lose this position only, and in the degree level exams there might have few seats. In the lecture on computer engineering as well, there is only 14 vacancies available, so we had to prepare thoroughly. So let's see how to prepare current affairs section in an effective way uh, with uh, with the help of news and channels and everything. Okay, first watch news. Watch news on TV, like use national channels like BBC and others, and read newspapers regularly. And I told you to watch news because visual medium is better than reading, because it will be good for long-term memory, because we are watching the news, we are not reading is also effective, but watching the news might make us remember it longer. Okay, and read the newspapers regularly, and then focus on national, international and news, especially sports, economic, banking, awards, achievements, appointments and literature topics, and about other legislative things also. Okay, you have to focus on these topics and note down and prepare notes for each and every news. Use short notes like headlines or something, because it will be easier to revise it later. We have to revise it in week, in 2 days and etc. Okay, then focus on Hindu and BBC. These are my suggestions, and you can use any other method. There are many other magazines and internet. There are lots of sources in internet to study current affairs. Okay, and then solve quizzes of current affairs, because it will help us to remember it in long term, because we know we can analyze our score, and we can see where we are standing, and we can when we are solving a question, we are recollecting it, so it's like a revision. Okay, so do this. Okay, and in this channel I'm going to start a current affairs section for every day. We are going to start a session and revision also for the current affairs. Okay, thank you.